Exercise of chapter 7, class 6th. Now the question number 1. Multiple choice question. Tick the correct answer. First question is rose plant is a. Options are herb, shrub, tree, climber. Its answer is herb. Rose plant is a herb. Question 2. The food prepared by plant is in the form of. Options are fats. Second is oil. Third, glucose. Fourth, proteins. Its answer is glucose. The food prepared by plant is in the form of glucose. Question 3. Dash is the broad expanded part of a leaf. Options are lamina, petiole, midrib, vein. Its answer is lamina. Question number 4. Seeds are formed from. Options are leaves, flowers, ovaries, ovules. Answer is ovules. Seeds are formed from ovules. Question 5. Which is the female part of the flower? Options are stamen, filament, anther, pistil. Its answer is pistil. Pistil is the female part of the flower. Question 6. When pollen is transferred to the stigma of another flower, the process is called. Options are fertilization, germination, pollination, conservation. Answer is pollination. Its answer is pollination. Now question B, fill in the blanks. First is the two main parts of a flowering plant are the dash system and the dash system. Answer is root system and the shoot system. Second is the arrangement of veins in a leaf is called dash. Its answer is venation. The arrangement of veins in a leaf is called venation. Third question. Dash help in anchorage of plant to the soil. Its answer is roots. Roots help in anchorage of plant to the soil. Question 4. Dash and dash are the reproductive parts of a plant. Answer is stamen and pistil. Stamen and pistil are the reproductive parts of a plant. Question 5. Leaves prepare food by the process of dash. Photosynthesis. Leaves prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Question 6. Plants having leaves with reticulate venation have dash roots, while plants having leaves with parallel venation have dash roots. In the first blank, answer is tap. In the second blank, the answer is fibrous. Fibrous. Now the question 7. Dash is the female part of the flower. Answer is pistil. Pistil is the female part of the flower. Now question number C. Alternative response type. First, state true or false. The first, the stem absorbs water and minerals from the air. The answer is false. Second is unopened flower is called a bud. Its answer is true. First is false, second is true. Now state yes or no. Are the plants with a hard but thin stem called shrub? Answer is yes. The shrub plants have hard and woody thin stem. Second is the topmost part of. Now come to question D. Analogy type. Radish, taproot. Onion, fibrous root. Radish is taproot, then onion has fibrous roots. Second, male reproductive organ, stamen. Female reproductive organ is pistil. Now question E. Select the odd one out, giving reason. Sepal, petal, stamen, node and pistil. Here the odd is node. Node. Now second is mint, spinach, grass, onion, people. Here odd is people. Third is style, stigma, stamen, ovary. Here the odd is stamen. Fourth is radish, mango, teak, sugarcane. Its answer is teak. Children, we don't give reason, only circle, select the odd one out. Now question F. Give one word for the following. First is a tube-like structure present in pistil. A tube-like structure present in pistil is called style. Second is the network of veins in the lamina. The network of veins in the lamina is called venation. Third, the part of the leaf by which lamina is attached to the node of stem. It is called petiole. It is called petiole. Now fourth is the sac-like structure which contains pollen. It is anther. Its answer is anther.